Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Am I audible to you? Okay. So now we'll start the discussion. Come in. Now, right, student, those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. Right. No, I'm not saying to you. Those who says online students, I'm saying. Already I said you did not reply. I'll see once later. Cancel. It's my style. I am saying very day. Good evening, students. I say you will not reply. So action required reaction. Without my action, if you start your action, that is called what? You know already. So students, those who says good evening, again I am saying good evening. So because depends on your policy, I need to move forward. If I do more and more good, yeah, Aryan, I am well, my dear student, with all my students' blessings, and I am well, and I am taking my classes morning onwards very perfectly without any time delay. So this is my fifth class starting. 10th hour is running. So 9 hours onwards, I'm taking my classes continuously. You cannot even start standing on the desk for 30 minutes. You cannot stand. Can you stand? You cannot. But you will watch hours together. YouTube, you will watch. Okay. Anyway, students, thank you, students. Those who are asking about my health. Uday Sai is asking some doubt. I will clarify the doubt and I'll move forward. So, Uday Sai, I'll take your doubt. Maybe yesterday also you asked this doubt, I think so, student. So, this doubt I will look into that. Sir, as you said, when we call clear on empty set object, then we get none as a result. Okay. But even if we call clear on empty set object, we are getting none. For example, print of clear. Now, my dear student, on which object I said? On empty set object. Now, you are talking about this one here. I am telling to you that you are misunderstanding. Misunderstanding. Prince Singh. I'm feeling well, my dear student. I'm feeling well. Thank you for your concern. And you see this data in this way. I think you are not getting me properly. Suppose you see, for example, this data you see. LST is equal to like this you see. Print of Uday Sai. LST dot append of 100. What then output is coming? None only will come. Did you mean that 100 is not added to LST? Did you mean that 100 is not added to LST? What is added? 100 is added. That means append function adding the value to LST, it never returns any value. That's why it is called none. Okay. My intention was 1 comma 2 comma 3. Yes dot clear off when I say elements are removed. When I print yes and when I print len of yes, it is going to print 0. If you call again yes dot what clear off, it is going to print nothing. That means no elements are removed from empty set. To show you that nothing is removed and printing none, I just called you to make you to understand in interview point of view, you will get that answer like this, none. Okay, you got it up? Okay, that's it. Now I'll move to my further conclusion now. Coming to the previous thing, continue my concept. What was my last class concept? Come on, guys. First, what was my last class concept? Huh? What is that? Predefined? Where? Setter. Predefined functions lister, setter, what? Setter. So be clear. So go to data types. set data type, predefined functions in set. Very, very important. Almost everything is over. I think update and everything is over. Now I'm going to take it. It's the most useful students. This is completed. So I'm going to talk about one important concept, one problem I want to take up. Problem statement I want to take up. Problem statement to be solved, to be solved. Problem statement to be solved by what? By what? Set the functions. Set the functions. Now I'm going to talk about it. How to do this now? I'm going to give you a problem first. Consider the following. Consider the following. This is very easy by listening the entire functions. Consider the following set. Consider the following. Here I am writing set of cricket players. Cricket players. Actually, this is a question asked in PayPal students. This is one of the big company. They gave list of cricket players. They gave all the list of cricket players. You write all the cricket players to whomever you know. Okay, now? So I'm not writing all of them. I'll write some of them, what I remember. After going to home, you write all of them because you will watch IPL. Even you will watch cricket, gully cricket also you will watch. Correct? So you will write all the things. Now I'm writing. Tell me some name. Some names I will write it, Rohit. So I will write it something like, so like this I'll write it. And I'll write some name also. I will write Rosam. I will write it. Dhoni, all those things you write it. You write all of them, you write it. I'm writing for my problem statement like that. You take like that. Now I'm going to take a set of what set of cricket players, set of tennis players, tennis players. So I'm not writing the tennis player names, even I'm not remembering. Now I'm writing Rosam. Next is called something like, Uday. Now I'm writing something like, or I will write Travis and I'll write something like MC Kine. These are the scientist names I took it inside. Huh? Hemnath Sai. Okay, my dear student. Revant Kumar. Good. Your general knowledge is so high. General knowledge is very high. So nice students. So these are the things I wrote it. Now I'm writing the questionnaire. Solve the following. Solve the following. So now try to listen, students. All of you solve the following questions. Number one, find all the all the players. Find all the players who are playing. All the players who are playing all the games. All the games. Find all player. Find all players' names. Find all player names who are playing all the games. Are you following me? First one. Second one, I'm going to write it. Find all the players, find all the player names, player names, player names who are playing, who are playing both, who are playing both, both cricket and tennis, and tennis. Find all the player names who are playing, who are playing. I'm writing third one. Find all the player names who are playing only cricket, but not tennis, but not tennis. Fourth one I will write. Find all the player names who are playing only tennis, but not what? Cricket, but not cricket. Fifth one I am going to talk about it. Find all the player names who are playing exclusively. This is a very, very important. Exclusively cricket and cricket and cricket and tennis. Cricket and tennis. This is the subject. This is my problem statement, students. Sometimes they will give you what? Sometimes they will give you what? Just to open our 8th class, 9th class Venn diagram things. You read well and go to any bigger companies. They will ask this type of questions only. These are all considered analysis questions. So some people will say in a class there are some 100 students are there. Some of the people will take some of the people will take thumbs up. Some of the people will take Sprite. Some of the people will take Sting, 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 and some of the people will take both a thumbs up and Sprite. Some of the people will take thumbs up and Sting, and some of the people will take all the three. They will give some numbers and all. You need to go for what? Finding the how many people will take thumbs up, how many people will take that. They will ask a lot of questionnaire in that, and it is so easy to write it when you solve this kind of things. Okay, now shall I start this? So now let us solve this problem statement. Shall prepare my question here and answer you need to tell the coding. Students in online, first of all, did you understand this question, students? Did you understand this question? Now I need to go for writing. Second question also I will write it. Second related question I will take it. And I need to write the coding. But this question I am using. So let us go for keeping the question here. Third question I will write. Fourth also I will say. Let me keep that. And after going to home, you practice it. Here I am going to write it. And next, this is second. Okay, third I think so. Third I need to paste it. Third I need to paste it. And then fourth I will go for it. And next fifth I will go for it. Fifth I will go for it. So I'm going for fifth here. So let us start working on this now. Go to this, take the representation of this, go to the Python command prompt, all of you students. Venn diagram also you can write. This is called cricket players. This is called what? Tennis players. Here I will write Sachin, something Rohit, and something like, something like Kohli. And this is called Rosam. Here is a common person. Next is called Rosam. And next is Travis. And then Kine. And he is a common person there. And it is called intersection area or not? This is an intersection area. This is one area. This is another area. This is called the total tournament. This is called a universal set we can call in mathematics. Understanding, students? Right. So coming to the point back, I'm going to start with Bhumi. Sir, in 3 you did not mention not. Okay, ma'am. So 3. Find the player names who are playing only cricket. Okay, ma'am. But not. Okay. But not tennis. Okay, ma'am. Corrected. Now let us move to the further. CP is equal to try to carry this data. Whatever I wrote it, you try to carry. This I'm taking. Try to paste it and follow the Python conventions. Follow the Python conventions. Like this you need to follow. So coming to this, and don't try to paste that entire thing into this. You'll get error. Right? String data must be separated by enclosed within double quotes. TP is equal to carry this entire thing and don't try to paste like this and don't try to say enter key. You try to write it like this. So keep it, even you can write single quotes also, no issue. Single quotes also you can write, no issue. Here I wrote it. Done. Now I am writing, students, print CP. And you know it is a type of CP. You see that TP. Now order is not known, you know already. Any of the order will come, but finally all the values will come. So done. This is my data. Now I want to find. Go to the first query. All of you try to answer. Find all the player names who are playing all the games. Which function you will apply? Huh? What is that? Intersection. Muddubavulu. Here Python students, there Java students. Find all the students they are asking. Intersection. Huh? Union. These students plus that students will be combined together. Intersection. They will ask you compulsory who is your faculty. You will tell my name. Compulsory you will tell. My dear students, if you don't know the answer, I said one technique for you. You show our notes to them. They will give an opportunity for you. Okay. So I will apply what function? Union function. Don't tell wrong, students. Go to that. I'm going to introduce union operation. How do you find? All CPTP is equal to, all CPTP means what? Cricket players and tennis players is equal to, how do you write it? Tell me. CP dot union of TP. TP. You can write even Shravan Kumar. You can write that also, my dear student. You can write good student. So you can write update function also. You can write it. CP dot union of what? TP. But if you write update, what will happen? TP values are added to whom? CP. It loses the generality. It loses the generality. But I'm going to take, let the CP students, let the TP students take the result into some other variable. Don't disrupt CP or don't disrupt TP by adding other values by updating. Shravan Kumar, did you understand that point? So print what here? Come on now. All CPTP, all CPTP, type of what? All CPTP. You see this now? Got it. All the people names got it. Here 3 and here 3, 6 will not come. Rosam is a combined player who is playing both the games. Is a combined player. Only 5 people came. So I will carry this data. I'll carry this data. I'll adjust this data, students. I'll adjust this data. And here I'm going to take up. See, students. Now I'm getting union operation applied. Union operation applied. Got this value. Similarly, I need to go for what? Next one I need to go for it. Here, common. The same, this is going to be common. Both of them will be coming here. In all the places, all these things will come. In all these things. Come on, read out the question. First, understand the English first. Find all the player names who are playing both cricket and tennis. Both. Both means what? Combined. What is the function name? Huh? Good. So intersection. Intersection you need to write. Intersection. Understand English, both. So go to the place and try to apply. How do you apply? Same. I'll go to the same place, CP, TP, print the CP, print the TP. Now you apply. What is the concept here? Both CP, TP is equal to CP dot intersection of what? TP. So common players will be coming. See, students, both CPTP, comma, type of both CPTP. I'm getting what? Combined player is this only. So I got my data. I got my data. This is my output, students. So done. So this is my output. Intersection operation is applied. Here I mentioned my function name. Well, go to next. Be careful and try to answer my question. Ma. Come on, answer. Come on, ma. Find all the player names who are playing only cricket but not tennis. Come on. What function? Very good. Difference. Difference. Which one difference of which one? What do you want? What do you want? Cricket I want. But not what? What is the difference of which one? CP dot difference of TP. It removes the common elements from CPTP and remaining elements of CP will be printed. Simple, na? Come on. Say same thing. See that. Here you go for it. CP, TP, print CP, TP. Now you apply. Come on. Only CP is equal to CP dot difference of TP. TP. Now say what? Print off. Only CP, comma, type of only CP. See, students, you are getting Only these two people are coming. These are only the people who are playing what? Cricket. This is an output. I will write it. This is an output. I will write it. This is my output. Students, carefully try to follow. Are you getting it? Now, see the next one, very, very easy. Find all the player names who are playing only tennis, but not what? Cricket. Come on, what is this now? Same. Difference. Difference. I'm going to take up. See, easy students, copy the common input you copy. This is my given data. This is my given data. Apply here. Say that as usual, CP and a TP and a CP of and a TP of, say students, come on, ma, only TP is equal to TP dot difference of CP. Difference of what? CP. Now print of what? Only TP, comma, type of only TP. Only TP. I hope you are following Travis and this one. And these are the two people who are playing only what? Tennis. So carry this and try to play. So here I am writing, this is my data, got that output. Next is called what? Find the player names who are playing exclusively what? Cricket and tennis. Exclusively means what? Exclusively cricket players. Exclusively tennis players. Exclusive means what? Separation. Separate players, not combined player. Will you understand? Or sir, union over, intersection over, difference over, మిగిలినది ఒకటే. If you apply that type of concept, that concept in sequence, if you apply, problems will come. First, believe your subject understanding is important. Understand? Come on, students. Now I'm going to talk about, come on, apply. What is this now? Say this now. CP. And next is TP. Say print CP, TP. Now say EXCL, CPTP is equal to exclusive cricket players and tennis players is equal to, is equal to, tell me, CP dot symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. So symmetric underscore what? Difference of what? TP. TP. And print of what? EXCL CPTP, comma, type of what? EX type of EXCL CPTP of. So got the data and I got exclusive players of what? Both the places. I think you are following me. So got it. And here I am writing. This is done. And I hope that it is more clear for you. This is about which concept? Which function I applied? Symmetric difference. Very nice. But the question in that company is, this is good. You are well and good. You can do any question is coming. You will easily do this. Correct? This problem statement solved by using which functions? Right. The same problem statement to be done, the same problem statement, this is called one thing is over. The same problem statement to be done without using, solve the following problem. Solve the following problem. I am writing straightforward. Solve the following problem. Solve the following problem with what? Problem statement. Without using, without using, without using which functions? Without using set functions. This is what you need to find. So this is my problem statement. You have to solve by without using set functions. Then how to do it? Then with the set functions you can solve it. But this is not the things. So in any of the organizations, if you take it, you are expecting the EDA kind of projects application. EDA stands for exploratory data analysis, which I am going to give you in your throughout your entire full stack Python, especially my batches only. I am going to give you almost 3 to 4 projects, 4, 5 projects I will explain to you totally. Totally, I will give you 5 different EDA level of projects that you can directly write in your resume. And by learning full stack Python, if you keep your resume, na, they will call you and they will ask you, subject they will ask. Once call is coming, that you have to hold it. They will ask a lot of questions from Python. Out of 10, if you answer at least 5 to 6 now, you will select. Completely becoming dull, deaf and dumb. They will not call other Python students also. So expect it, you need to do it. This I'm going to say by using what? Without using set functions. Now I am writing, but I'm writing in capital letters. We can solve the problem. We can solve this problem. We can solve this problem by using bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators is covered in where? C language. Covered. All engineering students, first year, C language is there or not? All students, all branches, common subjects is there or not? C language covered or not? Covered or not covered? Covered. Right. Remembered. మనకి ఏం గుర్తుండే అసలు listening here, forgetting here. Day to day, that too. Day to day. And you people are hour to hour. 1 hour listening, next hour forgetting. Actually, I seen students day to day forgetting I have seen, but these days students are coming. Hour to hour forgetting students are there. It's really danger. So now, so yes, ma, vanilla. Covered, sir, but not with practical knowledge. Theoretical knowledge is there, ma, vanilla. Do you have theoretical knowledge, ma, vanilla? So, Sunny is asking, sir, if there are more than two set, can we write 100% you can write. Sunny, good question. Sunny is a good student. You can write, my dear student. Sunny question, I will keep it. Good question. Can we write more than one thing? You can happily write. Look at, see students. S1 is equal to, S1 is equal to, good question student, 10, 20, 30. S2 is equal to 30, 40, 50. S3 is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, like that. I want to find S4 is equal to, S4 is equal to S1 dot union of what? S2, comma S3. S2, comma S3. Happily you can pass. So, print of what? S4. Type of S4. What is an answer? All the values are coming here. All the values are coming. That is called what? Set. Sunny, are you understanding this? Right. What is an intersection? Let me ask this question once. S1 dot intersection of, if you answer this question now, you are great. S2, comma S3. Come on, quickly. Answer is 30. Good. Who said? Good. Good student. Really good. I am really appreciating. Really appreciating. Correct. Really correct, student. Who is that? Really correct. Correct that is. You are not believing me. When you believe, students? Really correct. Raise your hand. You only, no? That guy. I understand. By looking at I can understand. So you are saying 30. You write 30 times imposition. It is the wrong answer. See, what is the intersection of S1 and S2? 30. 30. That 30 with what? S3. What is that? No common elements. What is an output? What is an output? Huh? Huh? What is an output? What is an output? Muddu bavulu. Empty set. Empty set. Empty set. That is the no common elements are there. It is called empty set. Print of what? S4. S4. Comma what? Type of S4. What is that? Empty set. No common elements. It is an empty set only now. Even in mathematics, A is equal to 10, comma 20, comma 30. And B is equal to what? 1, comma 2, comma 3. Find intersection. C is equal to what? A intersection B. We used to write what inside? 5. That is called what? Empty set. Mathematics. Mathematics radu, subject radu, everything problem. This is called empty set. Represent empty set. That empty set is represented practically like this. Are you following that? Now see, 10, 20, 30, intersection of, not what? Intersection of 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3, intersection of, I wrote like that. What is an answer? Empty set. Simple now? Okay. So students in online, I'll go to that. I'll move to the further. This is about, we will solve this problem by using which operators? Bitwise operators. Students, very shortly, in a day or two, I'm going to enter. We are almost coming to an end of the data types. Almost we are coming to an end of the data types. And the data types, how they are important in your life of Python world, you cannot imagine. When I go to Pandas, Matplotlib high-end course now, and in other topics of Python, you will just feel like anything once you prepare the data types very well. So if without preparing data types, if you continue the subject learning, it is a difficult. Almost I came here and frozen set I will cover today. And a dict also I may start today. And this dict will take some more time. And within 2 days, it will be over. Next I'll go for what? Operators concept I will introduce. In the operators concept, I am going to explain to you about operators and expressions. There is a topic is available. Under that, there is a separate operators are available. Bitwise operators. See, separately I am discussing. Exclusively I am defining the bitwise operators concept I am going to discuss. I put most important. The most of them will not discuss anything about that. And in interview point of view, they will ask these questions only. These are the types of bitwise operator. I used to explain to you separately what is bitwise and bitwise complement, bitwise left shift, bitwise OR, bitwise right shift, bitwise XOR. These real-time properties is to perform what? Set-based operations. Not only set-based operation, there are a lot of universal operations are available. Let me go to the programming. So coming to the point back here, now I'm entering into the problem statement here. What is that now? First problem I am going to take. The same problem I will carry, students. The same problem I will carry. The same problem I will carry. And this problem related thing, I will take it. I am going to start with, here I am going to enter into that. You coming to this place. And the same output I will take it. Here I applied which kind of concept I'm going to show you. Go to the place. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to take my data, which is given to you. And this is the one, and this is the one, and this is the one. And I applied what concept? Union. Did you remember? Now for union is concerned, today I'm writing, what is this now? All CPTP is equal to, I'm writing CP, I'm writing bitwise OR. What is this in C language? In C language, in C++, in C++, in Java, in .NET, majority of the times, you will use this symbol, you will use this symbol, and you will use this symbol. What is this is called? Come on. What is this symbol? Correct? R. R na? What is this symbol? What is this symbol? Anda. R. Don't know now. So this is nothing but what? You are saying R. There is a blunder. That is called physical OR we can call. What is meant by physical ORing? This is called ORing. According to the pure computer science, we call it the physical ORing. What is ORing? I will explain. This is called bitwise OR. Bitwise OR. What is the difference between bitwise OR and physical ORing? Clear-cut explanation I will give you. Right now, don't worry. I'm just applying to my problem. CP bitwise OR operator, I said TP. See that answer. Print of all CPTP comma, type of what? All CPTP, I'm closing it. Am I getting the total answer of set or not? How it inside works, I will explain. Even if I explain, you can't understand because almost I will explain half an hour plus. I will explain about real-time standards of bitwise OR, where it will be useful to us. I will explain to you. I hope you are following me this. Are you able to understand, students? Right. Coming to the point of it, wherever you apply in electronics, EC, triple E, wherever you come across, you follow my programming logic. You will get the same output only. Okay. Now coming to the point of it, this part I will carry forward. So what is the set operation I'm using? In simple sentence, you understand what this is called. Here I'm mentioning what is this now? Bitwise, which operator? Whose symbolic notation is like that, whose symbolic notation is like this. Your C language faculty might be said that it is a pipe symbol, pipe, water pipe, all those things they said. You don't try to call those symbols. You try to call it as what? Vertical slash. You have to call it as what? Vertical slash. So try to follow that. This I used it here. Go to next what? Intersection I am going to use it. For intersection is concerned, come on students, I'm going to take up, this is CP and TP, print CP, print TP. Now I am applying. Come on, both CP, TP is equal to CP. So single ampersand symbol I will write it. TP I will write it. In your C language, there is a double ampersand symbol is there and a single ampersand is there. And this is called physical ANDing. Physical ANDing. ANDING. And people are saying AND gate, OR gate, something gates they will tell. And forget about all the things. And computer science is easy to learn it. And this is called what? Bitwise ANDing. Bitwise ANDing. What is the difference between both of them? I will explain. Very powerful concept I am going to explain. How this is internally working with the practical knowledge I will explain to you. Come to the point of it. Come to the point of it. Now I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to take up. Output is what now? Come to the point of it. Both what? CPTP, comma what? Type of what? Both CPTP. And I'm going to get it what? ROSM. What ma vanilla? Floor division or float division? What is that? Is it like that? So you're saying something different? Floor division or float division? What is this ma? Is it the output? Is it your concept is to say this one or this answer? If that is the case, it is a completely blunder. It is a completely blunder. This is completely blunder. Actually, vanilla don't know. Somebody said that answer. Who said? Teachers. That's why she learned. Correct, ma? Am I correct? Respond. Respond immediately. Yeah, you are Python, sir. If Python, sir said, actually, that floor division, float division, how blunder it is. Vanilla, see, ma, how they said. I am telling A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. Just observe it. How people are making you as a good student, how they made you danger zone. I say A slash B, A slash B. What is this single slash will give you the value like, anyhow, I'm explaining that. It 3, 3 3s are 9. It is 1. Dot what? 0. 3. It is going to be what? 9. It is going to be like this. 3 3 3 3 3 3 up to 5. 3 3 3 up to 5. Are able to follow? Now, see this answer. This is called what? Floating point division will come. Here, floating point division will come. This is what vanilla is saying. This is for which operator? Slash. I am asking what? Bitwise and. And one more thing. A double slash B, you write it, which will give you black t-shirt. Stand up once. Both of you stand up, black t-shirt. Last but one row. Black t-shirt and adjacent. Both of you. Not Last but one row means you are in last row. English, understand English. Stand up, both of you. Are you listening? Not listening. Are you listening, both of you? Not listening. I feel that. You're very good students. Why are you not listening? Watching mobile, huh? Don't fold the hands. నా దగ్గర పొలైట్నెస్ ఏం అవసరం లే. గెట్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్. వాట్? పుషప్ నిల్చోండి, బ్యాక్ సైడ్. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ స్టాండ్ అప్, బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ. గో. Listen. I will ask two questions for you, both of you. Whoever answer first, they will sit. Otherwise, you will stand backside only. Be careful. Now coming to the point of it, A slash B, which will give you only integer quotient, only 3 will come. See the answer now. This is called what? What I am applying? A ampersand of what? B. What is that A ampersand of B? 10. I wrote 10. 10 binary. 1010. 3. 0011. That is the binary format of that. 01 is 0. AND operation I am applying. AND operation. 111. 0 and 0. Answer is 2 will come. Answer is 2 will come. Answer is 2 will come. Where is the question of that? Where is the question of that? See that. Where is the question of that? And she saying that. So, who said that? Who said that? So, their pythons are set. Pythons are set. And pythons are makes the students as Python. How dangerous. And I am also Python, sir. They are also Python, sir, making you disturbing. This is what I feel tension. All are Python, sirs only. How they disturbed, you see? Vanilla, did you realize, mom? Did you realize now? Did you realize the subject now? Come on, mom. Come to the point. I shown you. I'm showing everything practical in the class. Vanilla, come to the point. So Vanilla is not responding. So come to the point back. Here I will continue my topic. So like this, start. Here I will apply what operation? CP, TP. Go to the place, CP and TP and Vanilla. Tell me, ma, I'm not saying anything to you. I'm telling your faculty how they said wrong. This is what I'm applying. And print what? Both CP, TP. Am I getting this data or not? Yes. Go to the place. Now I'm going to take up this intersection operation. Here I'm applying what operator? Bitwise. Bitwise AND operator I applied. What is the bitwise AND operator? Single ampersand. Here I applied bitwise AND operator I applied. In place of what? Intersection. In place of that, I applied both. In this place, what I applied it? Union. This place, what I applied it? Bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator applied. This is what bitwise OR operator. So coming to this place, next, what is the next one? Difference I am applying. Difference, this difference. I'm not going to write the difference. I'll remove this, go to the place, and here, come on, here I will say CP, TP, now CP, TP, and apply. What is this now? Only what? CP is equal to CP minus. What is minus? Huh? What is minus? Huh? Minus you don't know. What is minus? You ask after going to home, any second class, third class, what is minus? It's called what? Huh? It's called what? Difference. This is called arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. CP minus TP. I just said print this, print off. Only CP, only CP. Type of what? Only CP. So here I'm going to write it. Am I getting or not? This is what I got it. So anybody ask tomorrow, when you go to an interview, what is minus? What is your answer? Minus operator I used for subtracting of two sets. Subtracting of two integers, anybody can say. You try to say high-end answers so that you will become good student. So this is called what? Arithmetic minus operator. Arithmetic minus operator. This symbol is called like that. So I applied that kind of thing here. So I applied that kind of thing here. Done. Next, I am going to enter into the further. Now, here I will apply. What is the next step? Here I applied. Here also I will apply CP minus TP here. Only CP TP. I hope that wrong mapping. This part I need to write here. Correct? Here I need to write. Correct? Huh? Find only cricket. Only cricket. Now I want to go for what here? Tennis. This part also I will paste it. Here I will write it what? CPTP. Here I will go for what? TP minus CP. This I need to write it. This I need to write it. Let's go. So, see students, go to this place, CP, TP. So, CP, TP, you apply only TP is equal to TP minus what? CP. Say what you know. You apply this concept. So here print this only TP and the type of what? Only TP you print it. So you got the output as what? Like this you got it. I hope that you followed me this answer. So I will keep it here. This answer I will keep it. I think same. So this is an output you got it. Done students. Now I'll go for what? Symmetric difference. Kushan, sit down. Next, listen the class carefully. So symmetric difference, I will go for it. Symmetric difference. Need to follow. Actually, I need to ask two questions. I did not ask. Anytime I can ask in the class. I may ask anytime. Compulsory, I will ask the question. Before winding up the class, I'll ask compulsory. Both of you one question. If one is not answering, other will slap. And both of you are answering, cancel. One is not answering, one will slap other. Compulsory. I will ask the question in such a way that one will slap other. Compulsory. Now, careful. Who will be having that opportunity? Symmetric difference, I will take it. Symmetric difference. What is the symmetric difference concept you follow? So, coming to that, Uday Sai, good student. Go to the place CP. And next is what? TP. And CP and TP. Got it. Now I need to find what? EXCL CPTP. CLTP. I will write CP exclusive OR operator. I will write it. Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR operator is there. XOR. Whose symbolic notation is this one? Generally, students are saying 4 x 2. What is the answer they are saying? 16. Who said 16? You said. That is called a blunder. This is what people are saying blunder. And these are all people are saying to you. Somebody said this. These are all blunders. I'll show you. If I don't tell, you will say 16. And people will show like me, see your answer. You will jump. So see the answer. CPTP and see the answer now. Print of what? EXCL, EXCL, CP, TP, comma, type of EXCL, EXCL, CPTP of this one and see the answer. Are you getting or not? This is called bitwise exclusive OR operator. These are the exclusive players who are playing that. Now I'm going to take up like this. I'm going to write in this place. I will write that statement. And this part I'll take off. This is called what you know, bitwise XOR. Don't worry, I will explain all of them. Bitwise XOR operator. What are the symbol students? This is a symbol. So this operator, I used it here. I used it here. So done. Bitwise exclusive OR operator. Did you understand? Now, and Uday Sai said that yesterday only I said formula for symmetric difference. Na? How do you apply ma? In other way around? And already said delta kind of operation I said. See students how beautiful it is. I'll go to here and in another way round. I'll say CP, TP, here CP, TP. Go to that. What is this now? Tell me. CP intersection, union of what? TP, TP. I'll write it like that and I'll write it minus. What is that? CP ampersand of what? TP. See, beautiful. Print the answer. Print the answer like that. You print it. See the answer of like this. You see the answer. Same answer coming or not? Previously, this answer. This also going to be giving the same thing. I think, right. This is an answer. Whatever answer I got it. Exclusive OR operator. Same or different? CP minus of what? This one. Intersection is this one and this one is that. And what is getting? Same. So this also I can write it over there. Or I can paste it over there. This is my data. This is my data. I got it. Are you able to follow, students? This is about another way, mathematical formula this is. And moreover, I will say students, then that student said this too. Actual answer is what? 4 is called what? 0, 1, 0, 0. And 0, 0, 1, 0 is a binary format. Exclusive OR operator says similar bits are 0, dissimilar bits are 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square. 4 plus 2 plus 0, 6 is an answer. 6 is an answer. And where is the 16 is an answer? Problem. That's why practical knowledge is important. If anybody says without telling anything, if you believe, the result is like that. That's why don't believe anybody. If you see on the screen with the practically, then you believe them. Otherwise, I've seen so many people, don't make me be careful. Correct? And for everything, don't ask, show me the proof. Sun rises in east, don't show me, sir, where is east? For that, no. Subject of computer science, practical proof is required. Understand, students? I will tell you 4 star star 2, that will give you 16. 4 star star operator, I will explain in the arithmetic part. This is the subject of what? Bitwise operator, problem solving statement, I written it. Clear? So this problem statement by using set functions, I will send it to you. So this I will save it here. So this part I will send you today. This will complete the concept of what? Set data type is completed. Now I'm going to enter into where? Frozen set I will go. So here frozen set. Are you understanding? Are you understanding or not? Getting confidence in coding? So these single lines, if you prepare, and you can do wonders in coding. There is no doubt in that. Provided when you follow me. If you don't follow, if you don't practice it, if you come without practicing, that is a big doubt will come. Now I'm going to enter into the frozen set. And this is already what? Set is already what? And frozen set is what? I'll take only 5 minutes time for this. Only 5 minutes. Because you have seen already 3 days about what? Set. Now you are going to enter into frozen set. Just 5 minutes. Just listen. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up. Frozen set. Immutable object. Immutable object means what? Neither allow additions, nor allow modifications, nor allow updations. Nothing will be allowed. Once you design frozen set, that's all values will be there. Neither I can add, nor I can delete. Nothing I will do. Only I may retrieve the data, but no modifications can be done. Moreover, there is no symbolic notation for representing what? Frozen set. No symbolic notation. What is the symbolic notation for set? Variable name is equal to curly braces v1 comma v2 comma vn, so on, curly brace close. For frozen set is concerned, there is no curly brace opening, curly brace closing. You have to convert set data. Next is called what? List data, tuple data, etc. data, set data, bytes data, range data into what type? Frozen set. By using which function? Frozen set of object you need to pass. What object it is? Iterable object, non-iterable object, if you pass it, you have to convert into either list or tuple or set or something, you need to go for it. Now I am going to show you the frozen set example. I'll go to this place. Now I'm going to enter into, come on, S is equal to S1 is, don't take much time students, 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of what? S1, comma type of what? S1. So it is called which type? Set type. Now I want to make it completely immutable. Completely immutable. No additions, no modifications, nothing to be taken, students. Nothing to be taken, students. That time, how to take care of that? Now I'm going to talk about that. So I'm going to enter into that area. So enter into that area. Coming to this is my set. How do you convert? Fs is equal to, bytes of, byte array of, list of, tuple of, set of. Today also. Come on. Frozen set of, set. S1 of S1. Now print of what? Fs comma type of Fs. Now you got it. Frozen set of this data printed and a class frozen set. Frozen set is a class and it is going to be like this. I hope you are following. And C students, Fs dot add of what? 100. Not possible. You'll get error. What is that error? What is that error? Attribute error. Because it is not found in that. C. Attribute error. Fs dot remove function is there in the set or not? Say 100, 100 is there. So say some 10 you say some 10, you got an error, not there. Fs dot discard function is there 10, that is also not there. Most of the functions of modification level is not there. What are the things are not there? Clear is not there, pop is not there, discard is not there, add is not there. And next is what? Remove is not there. Now, all the modification related methods. What are present, students? Number one is disjoint, because decision making is there. Is superset, is subset, union, intersection, symmetric difference, update, all those things are there. Except what? Modification related. Update function also not there. Difference underscore update is also not there. Symmetric difference underscore update is not there. Symmetric difference is there. Why? Symmetric difference will get the data. Symmetric difference update is not there because it is updating the data or not. Getting or not. So that things you need to take care. Count is there. Count is there. Are you able to follow? And count is not there. Finally, count is not there. Hemnath said, right imposition. Why count is not there? Count is used for what? Counting number of occurrences. Frozen set is what? Unique elements only allowed. Is it necessary to count the unique values? Unique values means only one will come. Is it necessary to write count? No. So count is not there. I think you are following it. Something is right. Nikesh is writing index. You need to write imposition 1000 times minimum. Because Fs of 0, you will get error. I said indexing and slicing is not there. Nikesh, Hemanath said these are all very good students. They are only committing mistake. Total world is going wrong now. So, coming to the point of it. Del operator is possible to remove complete object. Del operator is not possible to remove single items. Del operator will remove complete object. Koteshwar Rao, I think you followed. Did you follow that? What is the difference between frozen set and set? Set belongs to mutable and immutable. Frozen set completely belongs to what? But one important point I will tell you, I will ask you the question, important. Is it possible to copy list data into another list? Is it possible to copy list data to another list? Yes. What is that is called? Shallow copy. Right. Is it possible to copy the tuple data to another tuple? Yes, Sarah. So, tuple object is not possible to copy because it is an immutable. మీరు మామూలు కదా అసలు. Go to the data types. Go to the list data type. Tuple, I will go for it. tuple. See, students, this is called concept rotate. So under that, I will go to predefined functions in tuple. What are the along with this functions present in tuple? Index and count. Specially, I rotate here. By using del operator, you can do most important function also I rotate. Where is it? Copy function here. Copy function is not there in where? Tuple. Copy means what? Another object with another address is there, which is not possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible. But you said possible. Everything possible. You said not possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible means okay. Possible if you say problem. Of course, I don't know. Your heart will know what you said, but I don't know. So here copy is not possible. That I already said to you. T1 is equal to 1020. Here that is very, very important. T1 dot what? Copy of. This is going to give you error. This I already shown in the class. Today, I am talking about frozen set. Frozen set also completely what? Immutable. What is the generalized statement? Any immutable object is not possible to copy. Not possible to copy means what? No two do addresses will not be there. Deep copy will contain what? Same address, multiple objects pointing. Correct or not? Is it copy of? No. One object, one memory pointed by multiple objects. Like India is one memory space pointed by so many people. Like that, careful. Frozen set is equal to frozen set of, beautiful concept, frozen set of. I am writing 10, 20, 30, 30. What I am converting? Set data converted into what? I can also do like this also, guys. See, mom, what is this data? Come on, list data. Either set data, list data, tuple data, everything. Print of what now? Fs comma, type of Fs comma, ID of Fs. Very, very important and special. Now I'm going to apply. Come on. Fs1 is equal to Fs dot copy of. Possible or not possible? Come on. Not possible. Everybody will expect it, but it is possible. How? Here only the concept of copy function, don't think that it behave like a shallow copy. What this copy function will do? Actually, PSF people should not give copy function like what? Tuple. Actually, they should not give. But they gave in which fashion? Like a deep copy fashion they gave. What the deep copy says? Both the objects are pointing to what? Same address. Like that they gave. See, it is possible. This is one tricky question. Let him wake up. Listen. And sitting in front of me, and even I said wake up means you are like this. Yeah, beautiful people, all of them are. To whom I will share this experience, I don't know. Can I share this experience with my friends? I cannot. My students are sleeping means my friends will laugh. What are you doing in the class? They will say. Don't sleep, my dear student. Listen. So actually, you are also very best student, and you are sleeping. I'm losing hopes on best students these days. Come on. What is this now? FS1, comma, type of FS1, type of FS1, ID of what? FS1. What is the address of FS here? This address, correct? FS1 address I am printing. See, same address will be there. What address? Same address will be there. Are you following me? So what did this indicates? Is it deep copy or shallow copy? So deep copy, that means both of them are pointing to where? And don't conclude by yourself. Wherever copy function is coming, 99% of the time it is called a shallow copy. 1% of the time it is called what? Deep copy. Where is that 1%, sir? Copy function in the frozen set. This point you have to remember. Okay, now will you remember this? Right. This point you have to remember. It is almost equal to what? Fs2 is equal to Fs1. Fs2 you print it. Fs2 you print it. See students, Fs2 you print it, mom. ID of Fs2 also contain what? Same address. Normal object, copied object, deep copied object. All of them are pointing to the same memory only. Understood or not? So keep in mind. So you will get it. One more thing I am going to say. Frozen set, you got it. Overall together, I got the frozen set. Frozen set Fs1, I will take it. Last and final, I am showing. So copy function is allowed, students. Now I'm going to say Fs2 is equal to frozen set of 10, 20 and 45 I am taking. 45 I am taking. Fs1 and Fs2 I am saying. What is this now? Fs1 dot union of what? Fs2. Fs2 I am taking. Fs1 and Fs2. Possible or not possible? Next I am going to apply what here? Intersection. Intersection of what? Fs2. What is this now? Also possible or not? Next I will apply what? Difference. Difference of what? Fs2. Also possible. Also possible. Difference underscore update. Not possible. Difference underscore update. Not possible. Not possible. This is not possible. Why? Update means what? Fs2 remaining elements are going to kept in Fs1 or not? No, not possible. That is not possible. Next what? Symmetric difference is possible. Again, symmetric difference is symmetric underscore difference. TRI. So symmetric difference underscore symmetric. So symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore difference. It is called what? Possible. Underscore update is not possible, students. Why update is not possible? Because it has to change the address. So it is not possible. It is possible, not there. Did you mean symmetric difference? It is asking. Its symmetric difference update is not there. Symmetric difference underscore is there. So I hope you are understanding. What is modifying, what is not modifying. Whatever is not modifying, only retrieving the data, that is possible. Whatever is modifying, that is not possible. Did you understand? So I'm going to online students. I hope you understood the frozen set easily. Now I'm going to open one simple concept for you. What is the concept I'm applying? You please go follow me. I'm going to open it and I'm showing you the data type called what? Under that, sorry. So I'll go to this place. Go to this place here. Set data type and frozen set I'm going to take up. Please read out all of you and let us get it fast. Start. Frozen set is one of the predefined class treated as a set data type. The purpose of frozen set data type is to store multiple values, either same type or different type or both the types with unique values. The elements of frozen set must be obtained from different objects like set, tuple, list, etc. So frozen set object, frozen set of set, list, tuple, bytes, byte array, range. Are you following? So I want to create a frozen set. Fs is equal to frozen set of, frozen set of, frozen set of. I'll take a range of what? 10 comma 20 comma 2. 10 comma 20 comma 2. Print of what? Fs comma what? Type of Fs. Type of Fs. Are you getting or not? This is called frozen set values. Getting into this frozen set like this. Getting up? Like that. So then on the object frozen set never maintains insertion order because PVM can display any possibility of the elements of frozen set. Because frozen set is also one of the flavor of set only. Next, on the object of frozen set, we can't perform indexing and slicing operation because frozen set object never maintains insertion order. An object of frozen set belongs to immutable object because frozen set does not support item assignment and does not and not possible to modify or change or add. You have seen adding not possible, discarding not possible, removing not possible, everything. We can create frozen set two types, empty frozen set, non-empty frozen set. Empty frozen set, empty tuple, empty list, so many definitions, An empty frozen set is one which does not contain any values. So I will write it. Any of that is example is there. Print of what? Fs comma, type of Fs comma, and len of what? Fs, and we are having 0. Understand? Right? Like that, you can come to this place, frozen set of. Now, coming to the point of it, frozen set, non-empty frozen set. This is greater than 0. Contains some elements whose length is greater than 0. Now, here I'm going to get it. Who is this? He got a doubt again. Now I expect it. Now I expected this. He is getting the doubt like this. He is getting. So, come to the point. The students. So I'll take it. Some 40. Say some 3. Say some 3. Print of what? Fs. Print of some Fs. What is coming? My dear student, Mansi Vivek Singh. My dear student. Any one of the possibility of the elements of set. The same order is also one of the possibility or not? Mansi Vivek Singh. You see, my dear student? Clear. I expected. ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు చేస్తారని. Somebody may raise the doubt, I said. My notes is so popular. Any one of the possibility. Same order also one of the possibility. So, okay, my dear student, let me move to the further. Because I was expected. My expectation almost correct. So, any of students, come on to the point. What I am explaining? What I am explaining? This one. So it is length is what? 0. So coming to the point of it, non-empty frozen set, non-empty frozen set. A non-empty frozen set is one which contains elements greater than 0. So creating frozen set with a set, creating frozen set with a tuple, creating frozen set with what? List. Note, the functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to set, but object of set belongs to both mutable. Mutable means what? Add, remove, pop, or discard. And also immutable in the case of item assignment, where frozen set object belongs to immutable because neither possible to perform add, remove, pop, discard, and not possible to perform value assignment also not possible. If I print Fs here, if I print Fs here, Fs of 0 is equal to what? 100. You are getting error. What is that error? Item assignment does not support. So add not possible, item assignment not possible. It's a purely what? Immutable. Example. See, example. Converting set, converting, converting different things, non-empty, empty. Next is called converting frozen set. Indexing, slicing not possible. Deleting elements not possible. Deleting slicing not possible. Deleting complete object possible. This is about concept of what? Frozen set. Now I want to tell you the concept of what? Inner concept I want to tell you. Set in set. Set in set. Set in list. List in set. So I will give you the awareness for you. Everybody should understand. What we learned, what are the concept we learned? List. Next, what we learned? Tuple. Today, what we completed also? Already what you learned, ma? Here we learned what? List in, list we learned, correct? Also, we discussed what? Tuple in where we discussed it? List. Here, when you come to tuple, what we discussed it? Tuple in tuple we discussed it. Next also, list in tuple also we discussed it, correct? Today, what is coming newly? Now what are you doing? Set in where? List. I will check now. I will check. This is I will check today. And next what I will check? Set in where? Tuple. I will check today. I'll check today. These things already completed or not? I am checking this. These are very, very important. These combinations are very important. Under set, what I will continue? Set in set, I will discuss. Come on. List in set, I will discuss. Next, what? Tuple in set, I will discuss. Okay, now? This is called what? Set in set, nested set. Tuple in set, list in set, I will go for it. Shall I? Ready to understand? Fine. How many things are there? List and tuple, set. Any confusion now? No, no more confusion. Now I'm going to enter into the further freshly. Relax down. Now I'm going to set in set. Did you remember our tuple in tuple and list in list example? Okay. S1 is equal to online students. I hope you are in the class. And some of the people, around 10, 15 people left already the class. Because 7:30 means either sleeping started or hungry started. Subject not understanding, now these external things will disturb. When subject understanding, no hungry, no other problems, only subject. Like, okay, no problem. So, RS, where everybody studies, jobs are not there now. Some of them has to leave the class. They have to roam here and there. Unemployment should be there. Then only something will happen. Otherwise, totally everybody become Pythonist. Where is the value? Okay, no problem. So, pen RS. Okay, now I'm writing internal marks 15 comma 18 comma 16. What is that? Inner set comma. I'll write what? 78, 80 and 75. This is called inner set. Now I'm writing OUCET. I am writing like this. What is this called? What is this called? Outer set. What is this is called? Inner set. This is called inner set. This is possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Possible. That is not possible. That is not possible. Now, why it is not possible? I am telling. List in list possible? Possible. How? Because if I write inner list, I can locate the inner list with which concept? Indexing. With a slicing also I can locate. But can I locate this inner set by using indexing? Then how it is possible? Sir, this I don't know, sir. When I ask some question, you have to apply the subject on that. Simply saying like a college, it won't work out, first of all. Is it possible to write? Not possible to write. Sir, why? Point number one. Point number one. It is not supporting indexing. Not supporting indexing. Not supporting slicing. Number two. It is not possible to modify any one of the value of the set. Is it possible to modify the value of the set? No. With item assignment, all those things not possible. These two things are not possible in set. These two things are going to be the problem of writing inner sets. This is known as what? Unhashable type we can call. What is that? Unhashable type. It is an error you are going to get it. Type error will be coming. Unhashable type. What is meant by unhashable type? Neither indexing possible nor modifications possible. Neither slicing possible nor modifications possible. Those two combined things are known as what? Unhashable type. So if I am taking an interview, I'll ask a question. Can I write a list in list? Yes. Can I write set in set? Why? So you say yes or no. Directly I'll say it is not possible to write set in set. Why I will ask? Sir, that I don't know. You say yes or no. Set in set possible to write? No, you will say. Now I'll ask myself only will tell the rule and I'll ask the justification of it. It is not possible to define set in set because inner set cannot be located with indexing. Inner set elements cannot be modified because item assignment is not allowing indexing and slicing. This is known as unhashable type. It is a wrong operation type error. Press enter key. Come on, read out. What is the error name? What is this now? Unhashable type. Palakando sir. unhashable type. What is unhashable type? Neither possible to modify nor indexing and slicing possible. That is known as what? Unhashable type. While going on the way also, today what is the difficult words are said? Unhashable type is equal to neither indexing nor slicing possible plus nor modifying possible. That is known as unhashable type. If I spell out by myself 10 times, you never forget in your lifetime. When you are going on the way, seeing this side, that side, nature, that, this, etc., you will forget. If you spell out the subject, you will get more and more interest. Correct? When you are traveling in the bus, for example, you are going to Hope, when you are traveling in the bus, don't see who is coming in and who is going there by sitting window side, who is stopping in bus stop and all those. Instead of watching, you memorize what are said today. Bitwise operators, union functions, how the functions are working, what doubt students asked, how SAR is answered that. All these things you need to think. So you are connecting to the subject more and more. This is what you become professional. And are you following? Should be on time every time you need to take care. This is possible or not possible. So set in set, set in set, not possible. So I'm writing here what? Not possible. Now, next beautiful question I'm asking. You only need to tell. Now I'm writing what? List inside of what? Set. Online students, did you understand this point? Online students, did you understand this point? Yes. So coming to the point of it, so I'm going to see here, I am going to enter into the further. Now I'm going to enter into the further. See students, now I'm going to take up. I'm saying here, see, I am writing. Inner set I am writing. Inner set. Possible or not possible? Quickly, quickly. Possible or not possible? Huh? Not possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Can I modify my list or not? Can I modify my list or not? Possible or not possible? Can I modify my list or not? I cannot modify my list. Huh? List elements can be modified or not? Yes. Now, is this way of writing is possible or not? Yes or no? No. Why? Option is correct, but explanation. Your answer is correct. Not possible to write overall. Why, sir? Because list allows us to modify the data. To locate that list, I need what? Index. Is the index supported by setup? That's why writing list in set is not possible. Not possible, kaadu. Writing list in set is not possible. That is the answer. That is the answer. Like this. In my class, you have to understand so many points. How SAR is explaining the subject. Like that, you have to explain when you go to interview. That is called learning presentation skills in interview. If you speak your own international English, other person will get problem. You have to learn in the class how to present. Correct or not? You learn that. Correct? Fine. So it is not possible. Now I'm asking one more beautiful question. So this is not possible. This is not possible. Next, couple in where? Set. Now I'm asking this question. Beautiful. Now you'll answer this. Now I got a confidence on you. Now I got a confidence on you. Tell me, possible or not possible? Come on. Come on. Not possible. Wrong answer. Possible or not possible? ఇంకా మళ్ళీ మిగతా ఒకటే కదా ఉండేది. This what you answered is wrong. I expected you will answer wrong. I know that. Already I know. Before asking question only, I know you will answer wrong. Not only you, to whomever you ask, they will say not possible only. Why it is possible? I am telling. What is this is called? Can you modify the tuple elements? Can you modify tuple elements? No, when you don't modify the tuple elements, what is the need of locating the inner tuple? I can't modify the tuple elements, which is an inner. If I don't modify the inner tuple, what is the need of locating that inner tuple of the set? So, set never allows indexing, that is different story. Suppose if it allows indexing, what is the need of locating that tuple where it is not possible to modify? Understood or not? That's why what is possible? Writing tuple inside the set is possible. You got my point? You have to think a lot. So, how can you improve your thinking power? By practicing. Possible. Print of what? I'll write it. Print Chesanina. For value in where? S1. For print of what? Value comma. Type of value comma. Type of set. Type of what? S1. S1. I say this data. See, this is called a tuple in set. This is called str in set. Str in set. Yes, int in set. Yes, tuple in set. Possible or not possible? Possible. So here, possible. If I am taking an interview, it is possible to write tuple in set. Why? You question itself is not possible to understand. It is not possible to write set in set. Why? You need to tell the reason. It is not possible to write list in set. Why? It is possible to write tuple in set. Why? You need to do. Tuple is what? Immutable. Tuple elements cannot be modifiable. So when a tuple elements are not possible to modify, what is the need of locating? So I can write it. They may say, set is not allowing indexing. Now, how can you locate? Okay, if it is allowing indexing, if I locate it, what's the need of locating? When it is not modifying the values, what is the need of locating? That's why writing tuple in set is possible. Understood? Good. Students, now I'm going to enter into this area. Which one? List set combination over. Now I'm going to wear tuple. See, beautiful. This also you will, you will, you will ఆన్సరా నాట్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది క్వశ్చన్ ఇప్పుడు యూ విల్ సస్పెన్సా సో కమాన్ పాజిబుల్ వాట్ is this now tuple what I wrote it this is called what set in tuple possible or not possible possible or not possible 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 అంటే ఏదో సమ్ హెడ్ అండ్ టైల్ లాగా ఉంది వెన్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ దట్ హెడ్ అయితే పాసిబుల్ టైల్ మీన్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ లైక్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్ పాసిబుల్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ పాసిబుల్ 100%. Okay, good, good. Now see students, possible. Why? This is a set. I can add to the set. I can delete the elements of set by locating the set from where tuple. How I can do? By going for what? Indexing. T1 of, T1 of, T1 of 2, T1 of 2. What is coming? Set. T1 of 2 dot what? Add of what? 13. I can print the T1, print the T1. So you say print T1 happily the data was added. Was it added or not? Yes, it is possible. Are you following me? Go to the place. Here it is called what? Possible. Okay, last and final. I am going to take up students. Say this now. I will take it what now? LST is equal to, tell me students, this is like that. Tell me possible or not possible? Come on. Good. Possible. Because I can locate. Same as that only. I can do. This one I can do. It is also possible. Same as this only I can do. How do you do that? LST of what? 2. I can get that. LST of 1 dot what? Clear off. I will get all the elements are cleared. LST. You print that LST. It is containing one empty set over there. Empty set is there or not? I can add the data to empty set also. LST to LST of what? 2 dot what? Add of what? I'll add my name. I'll add my name. Print of LST. Is it my name is there or not? LST dot what? Append of one set also I can add. 10 comma 20 comma 30. I can add this. LST you printed. One inner set also I can add it. Are you following, students? So students, this is also possible. So how many combinations? 9 combinations. These three plus these three plus these three. When a dict comes, dict will be applicable to dict with 4, again with these three. Totally 12 combinations will come. 16 combinations will come. That I'll introduce in the next class. So almost when you come to this Trojan set also you understood. That combinations also I'll send you the notes. Tomorrow I will start with what? Dicted data type I will enter into that. And dicted data type is very, very important in the programming. And very soon the none type also will complete and will enter into the further phase of the Python will start. Are you practicing daily? Now, are you writing notes? Writing notes daily? Right. Good. So I'll stop my class. Online students, if any doubts are there, I'll clarify. You hold on. I'll clarify your doubts. Thank you, students. All the best. Online students, any more doubts? Am I audible, students? Now the online doubt session will start. Am I audible, students? Okay, students. Any more doubts are there? You can raise your hands so that I can clarify your doubts. I can clarify your doubts. Right. Anita. Anita.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, in frozen set, can we also use the this by bitwise operator, sir?
You can apply, ma. Set flavor only, na. You can apply all the bitwise operators. You can apply.
In further also we have a bitwise in detail you explain, sir.
I said, Namma, already. I explained bitwise operators in further classes. I clearly said in the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Students in online, any more students having the doubt? Sharat Kumar.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, I want to know that someone will say you learn MERN, someone will say you learn Java, someone will say you learn this thing. So, sir,
No,
what is best suitable for me? I have gap.
I already said to you. I already said to you. You have 5 years of experience gap is there, and which one you asked me earlier? I said learn Python fully, full stack Python, improve your coding. You will get the job. I said. Again, somebody said X, Y, Z. If you try to listen all those people, you will be getting blank. So once you decided one path, you do the correct picture of it. That is my advice for you. Already I
Okay,
said
sir.
the same thing or not?
You are suggesting for the data science.
Data science also is suggested. This full stack also is suggested. So if you
Yes.
say those people suggested that this etc., 100 people will say 100 things, but we need to follow the correct guidelines. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Right. Naveen Kishore. Naveen Krishna, sorry. Naveen Krishna.
Yes, sir. Are you audible? I am audible, sir.
Yes, Naveen, tell
So,
me.
could you explain once more that tuple in set, sir?
Tuple in?
Set.
Tuple in set.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tuple in set. This is a set. This is a tuple.
Yes, sir.
Tuple is basically immutable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you cannot modify the elements of this tuple.
Yes, sir.
So that even if we locate these tuple elements, you cannot modify. So
Okay.
that it is possible to write it.
Okay, okay. Sir.
Once again, I will tell you, tuple elements are immutable. So immutable elements, even if you locate, you cannot modify. So writing tuple in set is
Possible.
possible. Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir. Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Naveen. G. Bharat. G. Bharat.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Bharat. Tell me.
Sir, do we have HTML, CSS class, sir?
Yes, it is already informed, na? It is already informed by admin. Admin send a message to you, correct? Already in the
Yes,
Google Classroom, they put it across.
yes,
Once they
especially
put
that.
something,
Yes,
you try to attend that. You need to
yes,
attend
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
Bharat? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any more students, my dear students, any more doubts you have? Then I'll clarify your doubts. My dear students, any more doubts? Okay, students. So, one doubt. J. Koteshwar Rao.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Tell me.
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా టైప్ కాస్టింగ్లో ఒక డౌట్ సార్ అంటే లైక్ మనం ఏదన్నా ఇంట్ కానీ ఫ్లోట్ కానీ బోల్కి చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం బోల్లో మామూలుగా ఫాల్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని ట్రూ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అని మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం సార్.
All
అట్లానే
non-zero values are called true. All zero values are called false. All
non-zero.
non-zero values are called true. All zero values are called false. If you come to string, length of the string is greater than 0, it is called true. Length of the string is called 0, it is called false. That is what is the concept.
అంటే చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు మామూలుగా ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంటూ 23 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు
Sorry,
బోల్లో
A is equal to 23. A is equal to 23. Next నీ డౌట్ చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు.
మనం బోల్లో చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు
Bool of A.
ట్రూ వస్తుంది సార్.
అంతే కదా మళ్ళీ
మీరు
ట్రూ. ఇది నాన్ జీరోనే కదా. నాన్ జీరో వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ట్రూ నా. అంతే కదా.
ఓకే క్లియర్ సార్. థాంక్స్.
రైట్.
థాంక్స్.
రైట్. Sri Vishnu. Sir, HTML, CSS, JavaScript classes only for Python full stack students only or Python? Python full stack students, not for only Python students, for full stack Python only, not for normal Python students. Vishnu. Right, students. Thank you, students. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important.